Apparently it's been a rough day. See, I just see people walking up to this alarm, sounding off this alarm, and like this. Hold on. I'll give you one reason why I'm deactivating my panel, because the sound you guys hate might actually affect you. See, I just walk up, I'm seeing people walk up to the thing, just doing that. It's not funny. Look, these things are not funny. They're just like this. No key. Then firefighters have to reset it. The firefighters are only allowed to help with fires, not false alarms. See, I saw this guy on YouTube. He just went up to the fire alarm. He just got the key and opened the fire alarm. Just switched it on. That's not funny. You can't pull them. You can't switch them on. You can't do that. You can't do any one of those. Look, guys, I'm just telling you these. Do never pull fire alarms. Only in case of an emergency. And you'll be why you're putting people under panic. You might be arrested. Or if you're at school and you're just a 1-year-old pulling down the fire alarm, you're gonna get grounded. 3, 2, 1. See, people is just like, oh, I'm gonna activate my panel. Now, tell you what it actually looks like when someone pulls down a fire alarm. You see, this guy's like, ooh, I need to get the key. Now I'm just gonna get the key in there. Ow. Where did he go? If I can even find him. There he is. Oh shoot, that actually scared me. Okay. See, he's like, I'm gonna do the pole one and the key one. Nothing wrong with opening a fire alarm. This is what the inside is while I'm living in here. Oh shoot. You see, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. Then this guy's like, ooh, I'm gonna hit these keys. He's like, I'm gonna blow the fire up. Gosh dang it, I lost him again. See, look. Ooh, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Not funny. Oh, I just forgot where the keys are. Look, you see, guys, I told you, never, I mean, never, ever pull fire alarms. Only pull it in case there is an emergency. Because whenever you see a fire, like, fire, and then you just gotta pull it in. Just gotta do that. Whenever you see a fire, you just... They are not allowed to answer false alarms. Everyone, please stop. Look, if I unplug this, it's not gonna sound. But if I re-unplug this, it's just gonna sound. But if I unplug that, it's not gonna sound. It's actually gonna do the same thing. Well, I hope you guys had a good day. And I hope you learned something new. Don't pull fire alarms.